Today we're going to be looking at this aux input, audio input for a Civic, and this input jack was going between FM radio and aux. So I'm putting a temporary fix on this today, but I'm going to get one of these overall ports here off of Amazon for like 20 bucks, 15, 20 bucks. But until that time, I'm going to put this temporary fix in. So this is how you go about doing that. With the jack in the vehicle, if you get behind this piece of plastic that's going up and down, and you pull this lid down a little bit, on the top there's a little clip that would pop off first, and then the two clips on the bottom will also loosen up as well. What I'm going to do is, I've already done this, so I'm going to pull this unit out to show you what that looks like. So here's this little clip on the top. So when you loosen that clip there, and then there's two clips on the bottom. Here, let me take that off real quick. Okay, this is the front piece. There's the first clip on. It's got the A letter on it, and then there's two clips on the bottom. Those would pop off of this piece. Let's see. This is the top piece. There's a clip right there in the middle. And if we flip this over, there's your two clips underneath. Once you pop off this little piece right here, you pull that door down a little bit, you'll be able to get to the second point of getting this piece out. If we look on the side here, we can see right here there's a little pushing piece on both sides. So if we could get behind there and push those in, then we could pull that out the front. But since we can't do that easily, what I did is I took this connector here and I pushed it. I think it was sitting in there like this. I was sitting in there like this. So I had to push that through the hole backwards so I could get it out in the back underneath the dash. This board right here, I soldered, I put a connection across those two pins. That's to act like an aux cord constantly being plugged in. Therefore the FM radio won't play any longer. But once I get the newer unit, this whole piece I'm just going to throw out. But this piece was inside of here. Oops. And you can see the holes down there. So that piece is going to slide back in there. Let me put that in there now. Okay, I slid that in there. This is the top, and now you can see the pins are coming through the back there. They're inside of there. Also, when you're putting this back on, there is a little washer here that goes on the end of that circle. So let me get that on there. Okay, I got that back on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that cover back on this unit here, and then we're going to connect it up temporarily. So here is the hole that this unit was in originally, and if I put that in there and I could push it in and snap it in there, but I don't want to do that right now because I'll be putting a new unit in a few days, but I'm going to use this as is for right now. So what we talked about is this back connector, this piece of plastic here. If you push it backwards in this hole here, so you push it in, what I did is I pushed it down and I had it pop out back over there. So I could plug this unit here. Let's see here. There's the little strip there that's got to line up right here. So I can just clip that on there, and now it should work. If I want to take off the housing here off the screen, you push down with your thumb on this tab and then pull that out, and it comes right out. So I'm going to put that there for now, but later on when I get the new piece, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my tools. This is my super long forceps that I got from Harbor Freight. So what I can do is I can just take that, open it up, and clamp on to the wires and push those out the back of the bottom. And then when I'm ready, what I'll do is I'll take off the black connector, and I'll pull the wire up through that portal hole. So over here, when I'm ready to reassemble everything, I'm going to take these forceps here, right here, and I'll get them in that hole, and then I'm gonna clip it on the wire down, that's way down here, but I'll have this black piece off, but I want to bring this green connector through this hole here. That will be coming out the front. Once I get it coming out the front, then I'll plug this black piece back on there, and then push the whole unit through into that hole, and it will snap in, and that would be the total repair. But this is just the temporary repair that I solder those two pins together. I think on the back, on the wire here, it's the white and blue one on the back of that green connector. Anyway, hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.